Okay, good. Right. Okay, hello, welcome Sandhya ji for the interview today. How are you doing?
Yeah, Prashanti ji, hi, I'm very good and I'm very healthy. Doing good.
Very good, very good. So I think, just thank you very much for coming up today. And yeah, but I'm so glad that I'm hosting you. Like Purvaka, we hosted you as a student, but now today I'm hosting you as an inspiration for the people who are going to take their journey for the first time, or for the lifetime change, at least on the health wise. So welcome to the testimonial show today.
Thank you. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Yeah, with you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, Sandhya just before we just jump on, I would like to highlight, like, from at least from the weight and health, just if you want to tell from where did you come to where, where did you start your journey and where did you come? In just one line, if you want to define, let's define, and then we'll go on to the next things.
Yeah, sure. From actually, when I joined in this program, I was 84.65. Now I am 65.85, almost 19 kgs I lost with healthy eating. And daily I'm having food and I'm reducing my weight. That's the main thing. That's main point in this Nichalan's yoga. With the yoga also, uh, it's turned my life. Actually, previously I was not able to sleep up to 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. I'm scrolling my mobile and I'm not getting sleep. Also, now I'm at 10 or 10:30. Mostly, I'm sleeping. Anyone are awake, you do your works, I'm sleeping like that. I'm saying and I'm sleeping. So my sleeping habits also changed in this Nichilan's yoga, and I'm very healthy. And main point is I'm very low, and that how I had to tell, um, a very healthy life I'm living now. With yoga, I'm changed a lot, and my body structure also changed a lot. My main problem is my thighs, so those are also reduced more. Now I am feeling. Uh, I'm very much happy to wear saris also. Previously, I want to wear saris, it kind of bit laziness, and
Second.
it's not
Right.
possible to carry a whole day. But I'm
Whole day.
carrying a whole day, and
Yeah.
it's very happy in that part also.
I can see this from your status actually. Now
Yes,
you're
yes.
showing off in the WhatsApp status more
Yeah, yeah.
frequently, I think so. Right.
Previously, I'm keeping my photos in my status also, but off I'll keep as a my status, because my whole structure would be like panda.
Oh, it's only the face status you used to have,
Yeah,
not the
face
complete body.
mostly yeah, face status only. I'll keep. Now I'm keeping a whole my photo.
Oh, whole photo
Everyone
together.
are what you are doing, how you are reduced your weight. You're very slim. You are looks like to your sister to your son. You are not like a mother. They are giving all the compliments. Thank you. Thank you
Definitely.
so much for
I
this.
think even I'm shocked, definitely. When I looked the other day, I know you remember, I remember that you said you have your son, but I'm still hesitant. Is it really Sandhya had such a big son? So I was just asking you, is he your brother or your son, right? I still,
Yes,
I'm
yes,
quite
yes.
hesitant.
Now all are asking like that only. But
That photograph, yeah,
they
that.
know he is my son. He is now 18 years old. But at the time when I take a photo with him, he's like my brother. I'm seeing like this.
That is an awesome photo. Even I
That's
got
awesome
very much
photo. Yeah,
impressed.
I
Yeah.
like very much. I like very
Yeah,
much.
right, right. Thank you. That's a super one. Good, good. So, Sandhya let's go into little detail of into your journey. Okay.
Yeah.
So, before joining Nishlana Yoga, what was your biggest struggle with your health and lifestyle?
Actually, before yoga, actually I tried to walk also. It is not possible to me walk at least 1 kilometer.
Hmm.
Now I'm walking 4 to 5 kilometers at one go. Yeah, 4 to 5 kilometers I'm walking, and my body also very light now. So its structure also changed. My body structure also very slim now.
Right.
Yeah, it was not previously before marriage. I was there like this. It's
Mm.
been 19 years I'm married. Now I am looking like
Oh,
pre.
what was your weight during the marriage? On
It's 58 something, 58 or
58.
57.
Okay.
Now I am
Okay.
65. Now also I'm looking like that only. I'm
Like
seeing
that.
my
Yeah.
old photos and I'm recapping my photos and all.
Memories.
It's like
That's
I'm if 65 also I'm looking like 56 or 58 like that only.
right. Right. That's great. That's great.
That's
Right.
me.
Right. Very good. Very good. Inspiring. So, what were your feelings emotionally and physically during that time? When before you took up the program, and what were your feelings like with having being at a weight of 85? What was his biggest trouble, or emotionally, how were you at that time?
Emotionally also I'm very um, mm, very stressed. I'm when I'm working also I'm very stressed. If I want water also I had to call my son. So has please give me some water like that. Now I am going and I'm having my water. At
Oh,
least
yeah.
I main change is that one. I am not asking anyone to
Right.
do these helps.
Mm.
So now I am managing myself and I am doing more work before. At the time of in the month of December, I feel very lazy
Mm.
because heavy weight and all. So do I will do work later like that. No, I'm not stopping my work now. I'm healthily doing my works and all.
Yeah. The age reversed by how young do you think you have turned out? Now, what's your age, Sandhya? What's your age, Sandhya?
It's got break.
Hello, what's your
My
age?
age is 40. 40.
40. And how do you feel now?
Now I am feeling like 25.
25.
Because when I married at 21 only, I got married. After that, my son, after the delivery, I got into 70 kgs. So I gained my weight to 70 kgs. From there, I gave 1, 2 kgs like that. I'm gaining my weight. Now, it's my age also reversed and my
Age
body
also
weight also
reversed.
reversed. Yeah.
Wow, I thought it's 10, but you said 15 years back. It's like awesome. Very good. Very
Yeah,
good.
that's
Great.
right.
Very good. That's good. And yeah, a quick question. How did you come across Nisarana Yoga and how do you know about this program?
It's because of Pradipti ji. I know about Nichola's yoga. I have seen her with my colleague, referral of my colleague. I have seen previous photos and after photos also. And now how she gained reduced this much of weight, how slim she is. Because I have seen so many members, so many are reducing their weight. After that, if they stop eating like healthy food, and after that, they are gaining more weight. Now I'm eating all the food and I am reducing my weight.
Yeah.
I'm very healthy. With the eating, I'm reducing, right? So I inspired with Pradipti ji and I joined in the Nicholas Yoga.
Yeah, very good. Thank. That's good. That's good. So definitely, right, for everybody making a decision of to join a program to take up somebody's help is always thing. People think that weight loss is something we can do it on our own. Definitely, we can all do it. Whatever
Yeah,
information
before
on internet, we
joining to
all
this
know. Yeah.
Nicholas Yoga, also I asked you, is it possible without yoga? Also, if I do walking daily, it is possible to reduce the weight. After I joined into yoga classes, I'm not missing any classes. Yoga
Mm.
classes continuously, I'm joining the yoga classes, and I forget about walking also. I
Mm.
just are doing walking, but
Mm.
there is no thought of we had to do walking. With yoga also we can change our lifestyle
Yeah.
without walking. Yeah,
Right.
we can do little bit of walking, but
Mm.
with yoga it's more benefits we will get
Yeah.
because of in part it's means because of health part or body part will very how some words I'm not
No
getting
problem.
also.
Very flexible. The body has become flexible everywhere
Yeah,
from corner.
very flexible. Yeah, that's main thing. Main
Anything.
flexibility also.
Flexibility. Yeah, flexibility and the beauty. Like, Tell me about your tummy reduction. I want to just definitely highlight, and people who are just watching this should know definitely. Rather than when we do just do walking and reduce, and here, what is your stomach inch line loss? Tell me how much you reduce the tummy.
How much means it's more inch loss means previously I used to wear 38 size of
Okay.
jeans. Now I am wearing 34 size.
Oh, that's
34 also it's very loose to me.
yeah. I think so.
Because
That's
of
what I was
thighs,
thinking.
I am wearing 34.
Okay.
If I reduced more my thighs, maybe I'll wear a 32.
32, awesome. And how about your overall? From where the which size did you reduce to what now? Overall.
3XL to almost XL.
Oh, that's great. I
Yeah,
think also it
3XL
should be L.
yeah, it's
It
a
should be.
double XL. It's my present dress also. It's a double XL, but I stitched some
Stitched
loose.
it. Okay. No, I think you should check. You should be L for sure, L or M now. Go check it once.
Now
When
I'll
you go
wear
for
the
shopping
XL
now.
now because of my previously also my hands are very heavy.
Hmm.
Because of hands part only, I'll wear 3XL and 4XL dresses also.
Right.
I'll prefer more 3XL, 4XL. Now easily I'm wearing double XL.
Double XL. Oh, good,
Double
good.
XL to
That's good.
XL or double
That's
XL
good. No,
dresses.
you should go and try for shopping. I'm sure if you go to normal shopping, you will L also will suit you for sure. Go and
Yeah.
try it. Trust my
Some
words and go.
brands I'll maybe some brands I'll get Excel also.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. So, yes, now let's take your experience from the program. Okay, how were the first 2 weeks of the program when you are getting habituated? How is your adaptation and how is the team support over there?
Team support is awesome. Anjali is most how um, she is very nice and she's give more options to eat, more options to eat, and she every day she'll share more videos how to cook, prepare the foods. In by seeing those videos, I searched more videos and I prepared so many. I tasted so many recipes.
Okay.
I think it's chillas and rice recipes, curry recipe. Most that is a power curry is awesome curry.
Yeah.
Without I before I joining this class, Himaji said without oil also we can prepare curries. How it is possible without oil? How can we eat curries? How it is? I'm very curious about without oil curries. Once I joined in this program, I got introduction classes. I know about. I got the recipes, how to prepare those power curries and all. It's very awesome. Within 5 to 10 minutes, I'm preparing the curry and I'm having without having the time also. I'm taking 5 minutes of time and I'm preparing my food with
Right.
one chapati and power curry is enough to eat with a salad. No more options. I want. That's awesome. Team support is very for yoga classes. If I hand join any 1 2 classes, she's regularly follow up. How are you are not joining? Any problem? Is there any health issues? She's following like that. Anjali ji and Himaji both are following up, and they are motivating to me. If you join yoga, you'll get more benefits. Please don't avoid yoga classes like that. From you, I'm getting more asanas and right. Maybe if I lost the class, if I hadn't joined the class, maybe any asanas I'll miss, any new asanas I'll miss. I'll feel like that my
Mm.
flexibility will reduce, so I had to join the class. So I'll get more like um, help from Anjali ji and
Yeah, Baji,
Himanshu.
yeah, right, right.
Yeah,
They are very, very passionate. They're,
very
they're
very
driving,
passionate.
they're driving to you to come to your idol weights and
Uh,
healthy things. They're just
those
driving.
dashboards and every day they're following with if I send if any late by late I send any weights and please share your weight and checklist. They are asking for those and please share your breakfast and lunches and they're keeping all those and if I missed anything yesterday what you eat please avoid that. If you have any health related issues, they'll see those photos and they'll say maybe yesterday you ate this. You avoid that and you can eat more options we have in that part. Uh, previously I used to have coffee more 2 or 3 times. 2 times mostly I'll have coffee. I don't have now. I'm not feeling of have coffee also.
Yeah.
Completely reduced. I'm having detox teas every day, flax seeds. So every day, just a minute. I'm
Sure,
getting
sure,
call. Just a
sure.
minute. Hello, hello.
I muted you there. And then you have to unmute.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. That was like super, right? You could. I mean, you don't even need coffee now anymore, right?
No.
Right. That's great.
Everyone, my sister used to have some fruits or some have tea. No, no, no. I don't want to have tea or coffee. I
Mm.
don't have any feelings on that also now.
Right, right. That's good.
So
That's
I
good.
don't want all those. I'm having detox sticks every day. So that's
Mhm.
enough for me.
Yeah.
More options I have in
Yeah,
detox
yeah.
sticks.
So you told that you now are able to walk at least 4 kilometers without support. Earlier, like 1 kilometer also, you could not walk. So can you tell me any such other things that you felt like earlier as this and now as this? Any other things that you could achieve after now
There's
becoming
one
healthy?
thing when I used to walk off kilometer and I'll get um I have isnophia, some breathing problems I have. I'll get
Mm.
more breathing problems if I walk off kilometer or 1 kilometer. My sister's house is 0.757 kilometers only. Even if I want to go there also, I need my bike support to go there also. Now easily I'm going to my sister's home and I'm walking and I now in last 6 months only one time I got my breathing problem
Okay. Mm-hmm.
because at that time also I have cold,
Mm.
so I got that problem. That's it. And after that I don't have any headaches. Main, I don't have headaches also now, and any breathing problems. I don't have any breathing problem. Main, those two are saved me in that part. Also, I'm saved.
Yeah, yeah. Like particularly breathing problems, I think you would have struggled a
Yeah,
lot, right?
breathing problem
Definitely.
as well. Because if I step into one floor also, I'll get had to stop there and had to my control my breathe. After that also I had to walk. Now I'm getting into 3 floors, 3 to 4, 4 floors also easily. I'm not getting any breathing issue.
All thanks to your definitely the reduced weight and definitely the power of yoga, right?
Yeah,
Definitely
yeah, yeah.
the
Power of
power of
yoga.
yoga. Yeah, right, right. So now tell me, like, how is your family and what are your family and friends' reactions? Start with your best half first. What is his reaction?
Yeah, his reaction is very so this is the uh family part, but I'm telling yesterday he lifted me. Previously
Oh,
he used to fear if I want to lift. So I'll see once I lift you. Easily he lift me and he's wow, you are very low weight. I can lift you.
that's great.
That's his way. Seriously, he used to fear about me. You are this much of weight. You are. How can if I want he want to lift me also one hand. Oh, it's very heavy. No, no, no. I won't try. My back will.
Yeah, right, right.
That much of change.
That much
My
of change. So
yes. Try
he's
from yesterday only. He tried me. He lifted me.
okay,
My son
okay.
also easily lifting me. My son also easily lifting me.
Okay, okay. So
That's
what's
main.
your son? What is your like first son's reaction? He has seen you like complete mom structure right now. How is he having the feel of
He's
looking at you healthy?
looks like very small girl. You're not looking like my mom. You,
Mhm.
he's playing like sister. He's
Right.
playing like me with the sister and what.
Okay.
So now also he's reducing. You're not looking like young of. You're not looking like my mom. So you are very looks like my sister. Is giving compliments like that.
That's good. That's good. That's any other people like family members feedback you want to share?
Family members. My mother used to say, uh, "You are very good."
Mhm.
But if previously she used to, don't eat like that. If you eat like that, you'll get dizziness like that. Saying like that. She's seeing me and how I am eating, healthy eating. So she's not stopping me also. 7, 8 years back, I had only fruits. From morning to evening, almost 10 months, I had fruits only, just only fruits, no other food. At that time also, in 10 months, I reduced only 10 kgs. But my weight, I maintained same weight. So up to 76 or 78, I came. After that, my weight got stopped. So I maintained that weight, but I did not reduce my weight. At that time, they are feel about she's eating only fruits. Uh, no, it's not a healthy food. So they stopped me to eat like fruits. Now they are not stopping me to eat these kind of food, healthy food. They
Healthy
are
food.
saying, you can eat healthy food. My
Mom got
husband also saying she's doing diet, but she's having all the food, healthy
Mhm.
food.
Healthy food.
He's also saying his colleagues and all.
Mm.
She's having healthy food. She's not stopping food. So
Mm.
he's also, because previously when I said I'll start my diet, I'm gaining more weight. No, no, no. You can maintain that weight. Don't reduce your weight. Don't stop your weight. Don't stop your eating. So
Eating
he's saying,
habits.
yes, don't stop your eating. Now he's saying, yeah, she's having healthy food now. She's
Mhm.
reducing weight. There is no problem with their diet. She's
Right.
suggesting to others also.
Right.
He's suggesting.
That's
Me.
good. That's good. Great. Great.
He also
Actually.
liked about my diet and all.
Mm. Right. A question to you, Sandhya. You know, somewhere definitely a lot of students who wants to join us and transform their lives will be watching your interview. So, for someone who is watching this and still thinking about whether to take up the program or take up the first step or not, what would you tell them?
I definitely suggest you had to take this program. In when I joined in the 40 days program also, you said mostly 8 to 7 to 8 kgs you can reduce. Like that only I reduced 7 kgs, 6.8 or 6.9 kgs in 40 days. 6.9 kgs I reduced. So definitely I'll suggest after in maintenance diet also, I reduced more weight. Almost 11 kgs I reduced. I'm maintaining my all the foods and I'm maintaining my weight also and I'm reducing my weight also. So definitely I'll suggest to all uh, join in Nichola's yoga and improve your health and health eating habits. Main it is I'm not we are not avoiding our foods, just changing our eating habits. That's it. Previously also we used to have healthy food. Once we came into IT worlds or when we joined into jobs, so we used to have other healthy junk foods more. So we are not avoiding all the foods, just only junk foods we are having. Healthy we have more options in outside also to have our food. Like that only our lifestyle changed. Definitely I'm suggesting to join in Nichola's yoga. Yeah,
Very good. You should just be inspired and take the step trusting you. That's great. Right. So, in one sentence, if you have to tell how this program changed, just in one sentence, like, no, tell in one sentence.
it's changed my total lifestyle. Total lifestyle means how very healthily I'm living my life now. Very healthily living my life now. I'll
Okay.
suggest to everyone has to live healthily in their life. If we have more money also we can get outside food, but we won't get our health. That's there in our hand only. So if we join in this program we'll definitely get our health back also. We won't look back. We won't look back. Is it a good option or is it a bad habit? Good option. Definitely we have a good options in this. So totally changed my life. That's the main thing.
I should also give you the credit, Sandhya ji, because you know you are definitely one of the best batches, I like always say basics. You belong to basics batch, and that's a wonderful batch. We have beautiful people over there, your colleagues, like, Poorna ji, Sandhya ji,
Yeah.
and Pratisha ji, and a lot of people who are like very energetic. So you all did a super try, definitely, I should say, and that you definitely exceeded. You just trusted the words and you just continued, right? No, continue till this point of time. Never dropped in between. I know still you're chasing definitely your ideal BMI. Like, next 3-4 kgs, not more. And that too, you're doing with maintenance. I'm super happy about it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm also super happy.
Super happy. And I'm seeing you on the screen every day in the yoga class, how you're transforming your body is like, for me, is like a dream coming true. When I'm seeing you, like, I used to really, right, used to, you're just reducing, I could see you, I could see you.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of satisfaction, when I see students started changing the way they are in the first week and every month how they transform. So thank you so much for being with us and trusting the yogic way of living. So this, I would say, is not a normal yoga program where we are trying to just do the weight loss. Weight loss is the first side effect that we are all going to get. What we are doing here is a healthy way of living. Yes, a yogic way of living. You need not just go into mountains for becoming yogi. You can still sit here and transform the body with the yogic techniques. And
Yes,
thank
yes.
you so much, Sandhya ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, all the Nicholas team, yoga team, and all to you, Prashanti ji, and Himaji and Anjali ji. She is a super lady. She's
Yeah,
every day she is sharing her recipes and all. I'm very much happy with that recipes also.
I
With
know we are like
yoga and recipes. Yeah, that's very
definitely, definitely. And your plates are super exciting. And now they have become kind of, inspiration. So what we do here is not do anything like, nutrition or nothing here. What we do is like what we are eating through yogic techniques, we are just changing the time when we eat, what we eat, just little bit changes in the plate combined with other beautiful 10 lifestyle habits. And here is the result. You can see Sandhya ji dropping from about like 84 point something to 65. So 19 kgs she dropped, right? And Sandhya ji, how much time did it take for you? When did you join?
It's
February
January 26th I joined in this program.
January 26. So it's been
I,
like six
6 months.
months
Yeah,
complete.
6 months. A complete six
6 months.
months.
And
I don't want to take any breaks also in this. If you
yeah,
guys suggested me to take breaks also, no, no, I don't want to take any break because I'm having food.
yeah.
I'm taking my food. Why I want my break? So I don't want break. I'll continue this healthy life only. That's it.
Very much, very much. Yeah. So wish you all the best, Sandhya ji. Thank you so much for being here. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank
Prashant.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.